Paging Dr. Allen. Paging Dr. Allen.
So, tell me what happened.
Well, it was just a normal day, I was checking the pump and all of a sudden the VFD suddenly failed and before you know it, I was soaked and embarrassed. My boss has never seen such a mess. But now we got a new VFD, but I can't help but feel like something's missing. So what do you say, Doc?
I think I got the medicine. I'm gonna prescribe you Rockwell Automation's Preventive Maintenance Plus.
Well, gee, thanks, Doc. But what is Preventive Maintenance Plus?
You see, critical drives like yours need a high degree of maintenance activities, tests, and inspections to deliver optimal performance. That's where Preventive Maintenance Plus comes in.
Oh, okay. Well, how'd you get all that to float like that?
Never mind that. These services, which are based on Rockwell's 20-year service maintenance schedule, include a standardized series of inspections to verify that your variable frequency drive is operating to its specification while maximizing its availability and reliability. It also covers both parts and labor while providing the extended parts warranty to supplement unplanned costs. I'm gonna let the AI take over from here.
Thanks, Dr. Allen. Maintenance activities include and not limited to physical checks and cleaning, control power checks, final power checks, consultation and remediation, parameter backup, and calendar-based part replacement.
Oh, this is great. Thanks, Doc. I'm gonna sign up right now.
Another satisfied customer. And you can be too. Trust me, I'm the doctor of services.
If you've experienced unplanned downtime due to product failure or simply looking to reduce your cost, let Rockwell Automation's Preventive Maintenance Plus provide the support you need. Consult your local ES&E account manager or services specialist for more information.